How to monetize your videos on Rumble. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to monetize your videos on Rumble. First of all, we'll upload a video. Click on upload video. Here select your video. Once your video is selected, let's add a video title. Select a thumbnail, add tags to it and upload to channel. Let's upload to the first channel and I'll make it public. Let's wait until the video is uploaded. Once your video is uploaded, click on upload. Here you need to provide some additional information. Then scroll down and here you need to agree with terms and conditions. Check the boxes. In order to get your video monetized, it's important to agree with the terms and conditions. Then click on submit and the upload has been completed. Here is a direct link. You can share it with your friends. And here is your monetized embed code. Let's go and see our video on the uploads. Click on account overview. Scroll down and click on all videos. And as you can see, the video is ready to share, but the monetization is pending. Once Rumble review it, your video will get monetized. As you can see, my previous video has been monetized. This is how you can monetize your video on Rumble. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.